Scene 1. Introduction. Behold the tapestry of time woven with the threads of wisdom from all corners of the earth. Humanity, the salt of the earth, forms a unified rice, seasoned by diverse beliefs and insights. True vision comes not from the eyes, but from the heart, a gift held by those who embrace their humanity. Imagine yourself sifting through the sands of vast deserts, walking beneath forest canopies, standing atop tranquil mountains. We are vessels of ancient truths, and yet, in an era blinded by rushing progress, we've forgotten the sight beyond sight. This journey is not just history, it's a revelation. Scene 2. Ancient wisdom unveiled. Next, we see Chief Seattle addressing his people in a historic moment. Our people know that the earth does not belong to man. Man belongs to the earth. Within us is a deeper truth, a vision that does not fade because it emerges from the spirit, guiding us in respect for all creation. Pause. Imagine those words resonating through time, landing in the hands of an Australian Aboriginal elder. Shown teaching youth in a humble tribal meeting, he says, "In the dream time, our ancestors taught us the songs of the earth, the wisdom in the rocks, and the stories in the stars. Understand, my friends, that your true vision is not with your eyes, but with your spirit." The chants seem to echo. Even separated by continents, these voices sing the same song. Scene 3. Introduction to the Quran's wisdom. And we move seamlessly into a serene courtyard. A teacher of Islam shares from his soul. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The most beloved people to Allah are those who are most beneficial to people." Take a moment. So far, every culture we visited speaks of collective respect, unity, and an all-powerful unseen. The idea that vision is spirit-guided, not a mere material grasp. Scene 4. Eastern philosophies. But can the same wisdom truly survive different thousand-year-old cultures? In India and East China, the Buddha meditated beneath the Bodhi. With a calm smile once rested the mysterious mantra. We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what think. Mantras prescribe meditative easting. Vision begins fully within. Only reflective music comfortable played builds crescendo-style visuals for traveling flashes cut. Juxtapose scene from rivers by cliff peaks down. Hopeful in shores never drown confine cycles man. Machine oaths concede final call.